As your life and career change, Fidelity is there for your personal economy, helping you readjust your retirement plan along the way. Rethink how you're invested and refocus as your career moves forward. Wherever you are today, the Fidelity IRA has a range of investment choices to help you find.
Mommy, your chips.
Can you make me some pizza?
Yeah, pizza. Oh. Pizza.
Put it in the oven.
You have to heat it up.
You have to heat it up in the oven.
Can you make it?
Can you put it in the oven first?
Is it all done?
Yeah.
Good girl.
So then,